What was going on?
I got hoes for Christmas. 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 I got hoes for Christmas.
What's good, vlog? Welcome back to another week-ish of Vlogmas. Today, well, this week. Can you focus, please? No one even told you to not focus on me. Thank you. Anyways, this week, I'm getting a haircut. Just this week, we have 12 days of socks. So I remember this is gonna be from today is the 13th. Had like on my TV because my phone's out in the living room. So I was editing the first week of Vlogmas that you have already probably seen. But yeah, we're gonna do this 12 days of socks. Wear these all the way up to Christmas. So today we'll be starting the first day. I'm not gonna open them until I'm about to get ready to take a shower. So that I wear them out of my shower and wear them all day type shit. You know what I'm saying? But today I'm gonna do those. But first I'm gonna go put up the inflatables. I've been waiting way too long to do that. Mainly because it's been pretty cold. And also need to get another scissor cord, which I just got not too long ago. I got two of them. Got two inflatables. I know I showed y'all some before, and I didn't even get any of those. I don't think I showed y'all. Most definitely did not show y'all the inflatables. And I'm glad, because my brain wouldn't work like that. Anyways, got two inflatables. I'm gonna put them up out in the yard in a few minutes. I'm gonna go finish the thumbnail for the first Vlogmas video, and then I'm gonna head out there. And I'm gonna show y'all those when we're about to put them up. Woo!
It's snowing in his stomach. And we got Snoopy over there in the cut. Christmas tree. This grass is soaking wet. I would put Snoopy over this way. Yeah, look at him. Bitch ass nigga.
You made him come out here in his coat.
Big hoe!
He's shivering up there.
Tonk tonk!
Okay, so we're gonna do day one of this junk. Let's open number one. Damn, I sneezed right on y'all. My bad. Y'all look for me. I'll close my eyes. What I get? Y'all can't see. I got green socks. These look tiny. Okay. These ain't too bad. I can probably match this with something. Am I though? No, but I could. What they look like? My feet a little fat. Yeah. Gotta put that on. Wearing jeans short. The tan and red shirt. I gotta put it on though. Let me know which outfit thing your best. My favorite, your favorite, whatever. What up, vlog? Today is day 2. I'm about to open. I can get it out of this thing. The second pair of socks and put them on before I go out today. I'm about to record Spider-Man 2 for my channel. My gaming channel, which I'm going to do, but it's not now. That was cool with me. I was trying to make sure I wasn't going to do that if we were about to leave, you know what I mean? So, without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and open number 3. Let's see if I can get it perfectly. I don't think I can get it perfectly. There, Christmas tree. Let's open it and see. Let's open it and see. These are actually cute. I actually like these a lot. Can the exposure stop trying to go on? I actually like these. I actually rock with these. Slider's not it. I actually rock with these. It won't go with what I'm wearing today, but it's pretty nice. Go ahead and put my junk on. Alright, so these are my shoes for focus. Blue socks. And, man, I got wearing black shoes. I'm like, it don't go with my outfit. It's like this kind of colorful shirt, but you can't really see my socks with these shoes anyway, so I'm good. But And then I got this shirt. See, I don't care. Yeah, of course. Black jackets, of course. And then my jacket. My red jacket right now. Yo. Beef and turkey. Yeah. Can I get this one?
Ikea way. Yeah, we're going this way so you can see it's better this way. This ain't as big as some.
It's so long.
Some
$44 for that. I don't even know what it is. That's not bad. I don't know. So we at Ikea. This is all fit. We made it fit. It fit. Somehow. Anyway. Got Ikea. I'm about to get this shelf $59.99 because it's $59.99.
Stole it. I stole a piece of chair.
What was going on?
Open up, it's cold.
I'm so confused.
Y'all getting paid to stand outside some bullshit. Y'all getting paid to stand outside.
So they set the Ikea on fire, so we couldn't go in. So
come back.
yeah. I'm coming back in about 3 hours. It's not focusing on me because I'm too dark. Anyways. Yeah. Get the $59.99 desk. Shelf. Over there.
That's why the fire alarm went out, motherfucker. Got the last one, so they trying to sit there with you.
Burn the meatballs in there. Cause they don't know how to whip. On day 3 right now. About to open the 3rd pair of socks. And depending on what color these socks are, I'm matching with my pants that I got from Route 21 that I'm not going to show you yet because I want to be surprised. Let's open the 3rd one. Boom. These kind of clean. I think I'm gonna wear these Tom and Jerry pajama pants. $10. They had a big sale on big sale in Route 21. So I'm wearing these pajama pants. Originally $20, I got them for $10. They feel nice, feel really nice on the inside too. Compared to the SpongeBob ones that I got, these SpongeBob ones are sick. They're like, I feel like they're gonna be very hot, but it's okay. I'm gonna wear those for Christmas. Yeah, I'm about to take a shower, put these socks on, shirt on, and we're gonna go watch Krampus. I also got a bunch of other things. I got these totes. I got this one, and I got another one for my dog. They have a bigger one for their food because what I do, I had it in a bag and I just scooped it, so I just got that anyways. It was $10 at Target. I got both from at Target. Also got this cologne. This stuff smells so good, bro. This is the only reason I'm really taking a shower right now. Also stink, but still, I just want to spray this on me because it smells so good. That's about it that I got. I got some duster that I cleaned my PlayStation with. I kind of pretty much cleaned it already, but yeah, I got this. I think that's about it that I really got. Oh, and I got this cool. This isn't a bottle for my bottled water. This was water. I got it from the gas station, but it happened to me in a really nice metal bottle. So I'm just kind of using it as like a bottle water. I might get like one of those skinny caps and go on this thing, because I feel like there's a cap that can go in there. If not, I'll just use it as this, you know. This is a nice bottle. I'm not gonna throw this bottle away. This is some rich people junk to throw bottles like this away. Like I'm using it, you know, and so it gets nasty. It's really like an insulated bottle. And this was probably the cheapest thing I got from the gas station, to be honest. It probably wasn't. That's probably why my junk was almost $10. I got 3 things in that junk that added up to almost $10. It's probably because of this water. But anyways, this water was actually good. It's path water. It's purified. I like spring water. But for a purified water, it was pretty good. But I like, I get it again. So, yeah. Oh, also got this from Bath and Body Works. I was gonna show y'all the dogs from the in the mall, but it was pretty busy. And I was just gonna show y'all some of the stuff that was in the stores, but it was packed when we were out there. Like it was a lot going on, and I didn't really feel like have my camera like that. So yeah, Ikea would be different because Ikea is a pretty big area, big store. I feel like I wouldn't really care in Ikea, but you know when it's like something like Target or Walmart, there's a lot of people and the store isn't that big and shit gets crowded real quick. So I wasn't worried about recording in there, but yeah, I'm about to go take a shower, put my sauce on. We're gonna watch Krampus. I think we're gonna make cookies today. I think. I don't know what kind of cookie we're making, but we're making cookies today. So yeah, it was day 4 of the socks. About to put them on and show y'all. Well, show y'all and then put them on. You know, and fucking with it. First whole week gone, or not whole week, whole 4 gone. So these are red. I got some reindeers on it. Let's open it. Let's open it. It's not gonna go with what I'm wearing right now, but it's fine. So right now I'm just kind of wearing this for shits and giggles. You know what I mean? Just kind of get out of there. It's kind of cute. Like these. I'm gonna put these on. I got some. I'm gonna show you my pants for it, but I got some Looney Tunes short pants. Yeah, and a biggie. Because, I don't know, I'm about to wash clothes. The only reason I'm wearing these shorts is because I gotta wash clothes and get some actual shorts to wear. Ignore my ankle, they kind of ashy. But, look at that. Look at that. I'm making sure things.
And that dough good.
It's like a dough. Little dough boy. I don't think I showed this on camera. Up and down the floor. Maybe 7 of them. Ew. See what the pumpkins are now. Snowman. Snowman is actually really short. Snowman is pretty much shorter than the Snoopy. So, yeah. But, we got Snoopy over here in the yard, relaxing and shit. Then we got the Snowman. I'll try to show y'all later tonight when Snowman be lit. We still got a pumpkin from Halloween. I don't know if it's good. Yeah, it's pretty good. This pumpkin from Halloween. I don't know how it survived still, but it survived. Yeah. So we're gonna make cookies. She's finishing up the dough. Got to decorate them. And let's see. You got the dough.
That dough was fast.
Separated. Which ones are you doing? Which ones are you doing?
I'm doing the heart, the star, and a Christmas tree.
Very close to your face because I couldn't see. They couldn't. It was the sun. I'm doing the Christmas tree, the star, and this snowman.
What you doing, babe?
You don't know.
You gotta make sure you do Santa Claus because that's the one you wanted yesterday.
Yeah, I'm doing Santa, the snowman, and Christmas tree.
not the best lighting, but it's literally like 5 o'clock in the morning. Cause yeah, you go to work, we'll be there by 8. We're opening the store today. Don't know why they have us open the store today, but they have us open the store today. And go ahead and pick the socks for today. It's day 5. Christmas is early in a few days. Literally this week. This week we're gonna go because 20th is right around the corner. They're blue. I got snowmans on it. Let's go. Oh shit. My bad. Alright, blue with snowmans. They're cute. They kind of go with my outfit. I'm only wearing black joggers, camo joggers. Well, not really camo joggers, but they're camo joggers. But this shirt, it's an Ice Cube shirt, so it doesn't really go with it. But you're not gonna see my socks today, so it really don't matter. So yeah, I'm gonna put these socks on and watch some YouTube until it's time to go. Today we're probably not gonna do a lot, as you may assume. What we're supposed to do. I forgot what it's too early. I can't even function right now. I'll see y'all either tonight or tomorrow. Alright, so it's day 6 of the sock ship. I'm not feeling really good today, so I'm just gonna make this quick and brief. As I was saying, I'm not feeling that best today. I need my inhaler, and it's just kicking my butt today. Anyways, we're gonna open day 6, but I'm not gonna put them on until tonight. So both of y'all, it's gonna be like 3 seconds. But for me, I'm not gonna put them on until tonight. Cause I'm gonna take a shower tonight before I go to bed and all that. So let's go ahead and open day 6. They're kind of rolling around, so I'm trying not to, be nosy. Cream colored socks, like some kind of snowflakes. And it is white snowflakes. I'm wearing these tonight. As I go to bed. So I'll see you in like 3 seconds when I'm going to go to bed. So I wasn't feeling good last night. Still not. Probably not gonna go to work today. But I didn't wear the socks, so I'm gonna wear the socks today and wear today's pair tomorrow. It's gonna be backwards, but either way, I'm opening them today and all that good stuff. So 7th, these. I'm gonna try to dug it out for it until I started moving and all. And my body was like, hell no, nigga, sit the fuck down. I'm like, alright. I'm gonna take a shower though, cause I stink. These are cute. I actually like these. So, yeah. I'll wear these tomorrow. But I'm gonna wear these right now when I get out of the shower. It's gonna be confusing, but either way, I'm wearing the socks. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. I'll see y'all in a minute. Alright, so it's the next day. Open the pair of socks, as I said before. I'm going to wear these today, but just for the sake of the video, I'm going to open these. Wear these tomorrow, and hopefully by tomorrow, I should be able to get back on track. 8th pair, this is kind of cute. I might want to wear these today, but I have to wear those, so yeah, can you stop focusing on the box, please? Thank you. Alright. These are cute. I'd actually wear these like on a day-to-day basis. I'm wearing these tomorrow. Hopefully by tomorrow, I'm able to just kind of wear 2 pairs in one day and get back on track. So this little thing got me fudge. Probably not gonna eat from my mom or something, but anyways. Lightsaber guns. I'm gonna try these out later. Well, not later, but soon. This is the cutest thing they got me. This card right here. I love this card. This card is cute. I love it. And it come with a, whatchamacallit? Yeah. On the envelope. That's so cute. I love that. And then it gave me $25 gift card. Which, the minimum was $25. This alone was like $27 because of the $3 tax thing. And you can't do discounts on this because it's a gift card, you know what I'm saying? So this alone was like $27. All together, they spent about $40-ish. Honestly. cent at Lowe's or at my job. It's $3. You get the discount is about $2, but still about $3 still. I don't know how much this was. I know this is probably a penny, pretty penny. I got $3 for this cute thing corn. This corn is cute. So it's probably about $4 for that. All together. About $40. Possibly $50 with the fudge. May as well overboard. It's a cute bag though. But may as well overboard. I appreciate it though. Way went overboard. Way past the limit. I'm still ended up eating chocolate. But I got a free Tupperware, so that counts. They came with me. I guess they accidentally grabbed another one of these. It's okay, because I like these. They're nice. There it is. I'm just getting ready. I'm already ready. I'm just gonna chill. Alright, so it's day, I think, 9. It's day 9 on the little chart here. Let's see if this will be better. It will. I have my lights on and they're on red because I don't know, they've been hurting my eyes lately, so they're on red. But it's day 9. Let's open it. I'm gonna open it. So we got these red ones. Wow. Bro, I swear to God, if these are like these, I'm gonna be angry. They look just like these, just red and green. They are. Bruh, I'm pissed. They're duplicating the socks. They ran out of fucking ideas, bruh. I'm gonna wear these tomorrow. And I'm gonna wear these today. I'm about to say if you're not familiar, this is all in the same video. So you're seeing the same shit. But yeah. I'm wearing these tomorrow. I don't think I'm going anywhere tomorrow. So I'm probably gonna put these on when I get home. Because my feet, my bad, y'all seeing all my belly. Let me sit up. Cause my feet tend to stink when I get home. Because I've been standing all day. So I plan on taking these off and putting these on so that I'm caught up. It's gonna be bad lighting for a minute, but so I realized I fucked up yesterday and I didn't open my socks. So we're gonna have a pair for Christmas, which is okay with me. I don't really care, but for the version of the video, I know it's kind of fucked up. I'm about to put these on because these were the socks from the other day. And when I get home, I might take a shower, I might not, I don't know, depending on how I'm feeling. I think some of them are replicas, because I can see that, y'all saw it. But, on God, if this is the same one as the other one, I'm not going to wear this pair. Because y'all have seen a couple of replicas like this. I wore these same socks, just different colors, for like 3 days. There was a gray one, there was a white one, I think there was a green one as well. These are red ones now, and I think this is another gray one, if I'm not mistaken. No, these are reindeers. I was about to say antlers. The reindeers. Yeah. So we're definitely gonna wear these tomorrow. Or tonight. More than likely tonight. So that we can wear the 11th one tomorrow. And then the 12th one on Christmas. If that makes sense. So I'm wearing these. My feet gonna start getting stinky after work because I stand on my feet all day. And there's a lot going on. But I'm wearing these. Once I get home, I'm gonna change into these. So that tomorrow on the 11th, I can wear the 11th pair. I guess it wears it out. I can wear the 11th pair. And then the 12th pair is on Christmas. So yeah. So it's Christmas Eve. Open the 11th pair of socks. I'm about to take a shower and all that junk. My niece opened all her presents, but I'm not gonna show that. My brother also and my sister-in-law, they both opened their presents. I was going to record, but I felt like it was weird. I wasn't sure if they wanted to be on the internet like that, so I'm not gonna record. But let's open the 11th one. These are it. They're about the same as the ones that I have on. I did change them last night, so we're on schedule. They're green. I actually like these. They're actually kind of fire. They won't go with my outfit, but they're fire. And then we have the one and only Christmas Day tomorrow. Merry Christmas. I'm waiting for my mom and dad to wake up, but while I am, so might as well, if I grab it, open the last pair of socks. I'm not gonna put them on right now, but might as well just go ahead and open it. for the satisfaction. And we have, looks like a rerun. Oh, they're cute. They have penguins. These are the cutest pair. Cutest pair by far. Original too. Original. So these were all the ones on the back. Yeah, they only have one pair of the penguins. And I like that. You had multiple of the same kind, like the same design, just different colors. Work. This is instant cord. $5. That's a steal. It's 50% steal. This from my niece. My nieces. My brother and sister-in-law got my mom this cup. It's really nice cup. It's cute. There's some coffee in it. This is my niece's tire. These are all presents that are from us. We haven't opened yet. It's also my niece's. Yeah. Coffee. How about it? Oh, I got some slides. I'll show you those. But girl! She's here. Anyways. You know my dirty clothes. They got me these slides right here. They're cute. Wear those in this summer. No stuff. But yeah. I heard them a little bit, so they're kind of waking up. So, hopefully, they'll be up in a few minutes. She also got a little doctor set. She had them in my room. Because that's what she does. She brings things to my room and then just leaves them there. So, yeah. Also got a little cash register right here. I'll see y'all in just a second.
Oh, I like this because it's easy. I can put this on.
Went up to the people. On day 95,000.
Merry Christmas.
Christmas. The AirPod cake. You can't see it on camera. Little band, yeah.
It's got a radio station, a radio thing in it. And that thing was loud.
Yeah. Got my bling bling from my sissy sis.
Got a two. Whatever.
Yeah, and it lights all up.
What?
You about to be out here. Focus.
Yeah.
Is it home this one?
Should've.
It did. Oh, yeah.
These things. Cause I lost mine, don't you? Oh. Honey buns in here. This thing. Got a new microphone. Got a bunch of clothes that I'm about to change into after I take a shot. These. Oh. Capture image. Background mover built-in snake. Yes, sir. I'm gonna go put all these up together. So that's pretty much it for Vlogmas. With Miss, whatever the word I call it. Let me turn this off. I wanna kind of prop y'all up, just so I can kind of talk. Just kind of explain what I plan on doing for the next couple of days, for the next year. I plan on focusing more on this channel, mainly because this channel is not where I want it to be. And my gaming channel is kind of there. My gaming channel is more of a variety channel, which it is pretty much for the most part. I do have main videos, main games that I do play every now and then, but for the most part, the channel is a variety channel. Is streaming. I don't know whether I want to stream on Twitch or I want to stream on YouTube. I feel like streaming on Twitch because I have more freedom. I can make the streams a little bit better, and I can have more good streams than L streams, you know what I'm saying? Not L streams, but you know, I feel like I have better streams on Twitch than YouTube. I feel like it's harder to start streaming on YouTube than it is to start streaming on Twitch, because everybody's on Twitch at this point. Because of Kai and everybody that is popping on Twitch, everybody's on Twitch. So I feel like if I start streaming on Twitch, a couple people here and there come and join my live, they fuck with it. I grow on Twitch, hopefully, I eventually grow on YouTube as well, because that's where I'm going to post some of the good VODs, not VODs, but good VODs, the good live streams, edited of course, but not just the whole thing. I'm a good vlog, but good streams, that's what I'm trying to say. I'll put on the gaming channel. I'll have somebody, either I'll edit them or have somebody else edit them and put them on the gaming channel while I'm able to do this, because I'm going to be focusing on one, getting my life together, getting my license, getting a card, all that good junk. Eventually, me and my sister do plan on moving out. So eventually that's probably going to happen this year. Well, next year I should say, because I don't know when y'all gonna see this, but yeah, it's eventually gonna happen. On starting some kind of projects that I want to do around the house. I want to get a fish tank. I have a fish tank in the shed. It's a big old fish tank, and in the shed. And since I'm making money, I kind of wanna get a stand for it and start and have a have a little aquarium in the house. Just don't know what kind of aquarium. Like, I really want a cichlid aquarium because I used to watch this YouTuber. He had a big old African cichlid aquarium, and it was so pretty, and I really liked it. So I was thinking about doing something like that. Also, I was thinking about a turtle aquarium because I don't know, I feel like it'd be easier to take care of, especially with me working so much. I feel like it'd be easier to take care of than anything. But I don't know, I kind of want to leave it up to you guys. So comment down below what kind of aquarium you want me to build. I'll see ya. Deuces.
I got hoes for Christmas. 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 Ho 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 ho.